Susan woke up after Beychella, head pounding, voice gone, standard. But when her friend spoke to her, she just froze. Wait, say that again? Her friend repeated it, still muffled. Susan laughed it off like, ugh, my ears are just blocked from the festival. But something in her stomach dropped, because it didn't feel temporary. And the thing is, this wasn't actually new. For the past few years, Susan had been noticing little changes, turning her music up louder than everyone else, asking, what? Way more than she used to, struggling in loud places but pretending she was keeping up. She just ignored it. I mean, she loved music, like earphones in, volume all the way up, every single day since she was a kid. No one ever told her that could actually damage her hearing, so she never questioned it. But after that weekend, the ringing didn't stop. Voices sounded like they were underwater, like she could hear people talking, just not clearly. That's when it stopped being something she could brush off, so she booked a hearing test. She's sitting there in this silent room, headphones on, pressing a button every time she hears a beep. And then, she starts missing some. Not all of them, just enough to make her chest tighten. The audiologist looks at her and says, "You have mild hearing loss, permanent, sensory neural." They explained it's usually caused by long-term exposure to loud sound, music, headphones, festivals, and mild sounds harmless, but it's not the same for everyone. Some people barely notice it, but for Susan, she couldn't hear lyrics properly anymore. People sounded unclear, conversations became exhausting, so she got hearing aids at 22. And the truth is, a lot of people think hearing loss is something that happens when you're old, but if you don't protect your ears, it won't wait until you're 80. It can start way sooner than you think. So wear the earplugs. Turn it down sometimes, because Susan thought she had time too.